Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, and today I'll have a break from my travel journal and unbox the new art journal snacks for the September quarter, the September season. The box didn't come like that. I think I did this. But yeah, I can't wait to see what's inside because I don't think I saw any spoilers, and if I did, I totally forgot. So yeah, let's get started. So here it is. Oh, let me put this to the side. And here's the menu. I'm gonna bring my sketchbook out. I'll probably use this page because I don't know if their stuff is gonna bleed. Let's read it and see what's up. I think everything should be fine. Okay. So, the first supply, it's always the official art journal snacks journal, and it's at 5x8 and 25 inches, retails for $11. That's my preferred size of journals. Usually what I like for my main journal. Right now I'm using a Moleskine, like the regular lined Moleskine. But this is their art journal books. I haven't tried them alone, because okay, first of all, I have like a lot of journals that I have to go through. So yeah, and I don't like jump around between these and the ones that I'm already working on, so I'll get to these when I get to these. Okay, where's and I got this in Japan. If you want to check out my Japan haul video, I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna do the shameless plug here. So I think it's safe. I'm just gonna do it on this page, and this is our journal. Okay, the second supply, so staff favorite is the Schmeckel Aqua Drop Watercolor. Retails for $12.55, and it says experience the magic of Schmeckel. Schminkel? There was an N there. Yeah, I don't know. For yourself with their aqua drops. These fluid watercolors are pigment-based, highly light-fast, and versatile. Use the paint directly from the bottle or thin it out with some water. Apply it to your paper with the dropper, or use a brush. The possibilities are endless. Okay, I don't think I have anything of this brand. The Schmickel, I'm assuming it's this one. No, you're not Schmickel. You're Schmickel. Schminkel or whatever. I don't think I have anything of this brand. So I got the color Siam Blue and Finest Liquid Watercolors. That looks very pigmented. That looks fun. Shake before use. Well, it has a brush here, which is nice. And this is the fourth supply, but I kind of want to use it if I want to try it out. So let me read it. Is the Winsor & Newton Galleria short handle brush, round size 3, retails for $9.49. It says the Winsor & Newton Galleria short handle brush features a unique blend of synthetic filaments developed to provide control and shape retention. Paint places heavy demands on brushes after multiple uses, which is why Winsor & Newton made the Galleria strong and resistant, yet flexible and sensitive. The short-handed version is ideal for close-up work and fine details. Where are you? Okay, alright. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it says Winsor & Newton Galleria, size 3. It's a round brush. I don't think I have water. I think I've evaporated in my room. I mean, I have a little bit, but looks kind of gross. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get some water and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with water. And let me just write down the supply. Schminkel. I think I was in Schminkel with an L, but there's no L. If y'all know how to pronounce this, let me know. So this is cyan blue. Okay, I'm gonna try it just like, oh. Let's shake it. Let me try just like straight from the bottom. See how pigmented it is. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Ooh, I don't want to use a palette. I wonder if I just... Alright, I mean... And then... Okay. That looks nice. I would work without a palette, but I want to use one. Look how pretty this is. Really big fan of the color. I really don't think I have anything by this brand that I could like work with this month or this quarter or whatever. But yeah, that was the Aqua Drop watercolor. So let's move on to our next supply, which is the Liquitex Professional Paint Marker. Retails for $7.29. It's really weird when they do like these, like just like $7.30. Discover the vibrant and high pigment quality of Liquitex Professional Paint in pen form. The Liquitex Professional Paint Marker features water-based acrylic paint that can be applied on a variety of surfaces, such as paper, canvas, wood, metal, or glass. To begin paint flow, give the marker a good shake, then gently press down the nib several... okay. I don't think I have a Liquitex paint marker. I have Liquitex acrylic, but not a paint marker. I'm looking at my paint markers right now. That's why I wasn't talking. But I don't think I see any Liquitex. This is the color fluorescent red. So let's just Liquitex Professional paint marker. Cuckoo. Oh, I forgot to put a color. Let's put fluorescent. Alright, pretty vibrant. I don't know. I don't have glass or wood to test this out right now, but I like what I see. I really don't have another one. Alright. Let's move on to the Pentel Dual Point Flex Double-Ended Brush Pen. Retails for $9.50. Flex your creativity muscles with the Pentel Dual Point Flex Double-Ended Brush. This handy pen is actually two brushes in one, featuring a unique springy brush tip on one end and an ultra-fine flexible nib on the other. Its water-based ink dries quickly and can produce transparent watercolor effects. The versatility of this brush pen makes it perfect for beginning artists. It's cool. Is this it? Yep, there's not another one. Okay, I don't know what I thought it was, but I didn't think it was this Pentel Dual Point Flex Double. Okay, this is the springy whatever brush, I'm assuming. Okay. And this is the fine tip. I think they send this in another like when art journal was just a monthly subscription box. Yes. Here's my other one. It's cool. I'll use it for outlining. This dude, that's my dog. Dude, I forgot this was Pentel. Like, it's all in Japanese. Alright. Next. New to Art Snacks is the Nori Paste. Okay, sorry. This starch paste is a must-have for all paper projects, from book binding to art journaling and collage. Nori paste dries clear and slowly for intricate readjustments, and is safe to use even with the most delicate papers. It's incredibly strong on paper, glass, metal, plastic, wood, and fabric, yet it's entirely reversible when you hit it with water. Don't worry about getting your hands sticky. Nori paste is non-toxic, acid-free, and washes off hands and out of clothing easily. Okay, so this is what I took out earlier. So this is what it looks like, and it says dries clear slowly. Slow drying washes off easily. Oh, I don't want to touch it. Okay. Oh no, go back. I want to touch it. So I have nothing to glue right now. And it dries slowly, and I don't need that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. There it is. This is the packaging. It's a Yasutomo Nori. And yeah. So there it is. Put it back in its bag. Oh no. My nemesis. The next supply is this Sennelier Extra Soft Half Pastel. Set of 6, retails for $19.45, and it says experience lush and luxurious color with this whatever extra soft half pastels, composed of high quality pure pigment and a natural transparent binder. No fillers or clay here. These pastels are bold and light fast. Even the gentlest of strokes will deliver exceptionally bright color, and that's true. I'm not the biggest fan of pastels, but I guess and I think it's another fun for I guess, you know, having like a big like a surface that you want to quickly fill up. You can use one of that, but I'm thinking art journaling here. And art, well, it could be whatever, but yeah, I think it's good. What are the colors? Okay, we have color 233, which is like I don't know, like a yellow green. Very smooth, highly pigmented. That I will give to them. Starts crying. 716. We have like this. We have this green going on. Just keep going, I guess. Just don't want to get dirty. 205. Then we have 169. I like an olive green. That's beautiful. As much as I'm hating, I'm gonna clean all my shirt. This is a pajama top anyway. Then we have 75. Is the camera catching the? Okay, well, yeah, I think so. Like a brown. And last but not least, we have color 177, which is a black. Beautiful. I'm gonna see, because Art Snacks has like, I forgot her name, but she's the one that curates these boxes. That works for Art Snacks. I'm gonna see how she uses it on her art journal. Because if you follow me, and if you haven't, subscribe. But my journals are more collage, less art journal. And I follow a couple of people that do mostly art, supplies and things like that. And I kind of want to start doing that as well. So I think it'll be a good start to see how she uses these, because I'm at a loss right now. Let's use it for a journal. Those are all the supplies. Now we're gonna go to the ephemera pack. Which, let's put this away. So here's the ephemera pack. And we have a what is this called? A dictionary. Christ. Page. I'll just put it right here for now. Now I have this. I wish this had more ephemera. This is another, it looks like another dictionary page, but like scanned and printed. I don't know, it looks weird, but I like it. Random white square, random blue. Oh, these are nice. Some cute birds. Yellow bird. Cedar bird. This space for overtime. Oh, one of those things to clock in and out. That's cool. That's actually pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. This space is for timeout or lost time. And this is for overtime. That's super cool. Not gonna lie. Page. White. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. I like this. I'm thinking when I'm using these, like I have no idea, but as of right now I like it. And then this paper. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, we have this square. Okay, this blue circle. It's because I saw this, like the shape. This is square. Inside us, there's a star. This jar. Numbers. So sticker. Oh, it is. Yeah, from 1 to 15, but like from right to left. Principal cities of the United States. Okay. And squiggly lines next to it? What does that mean? Alright. Well, it has cities in the United States. And these random papers. Alright. Like I said, since I'm more collage-y, scrapbooky on my art journals, I wish they had more ephemera. But this is cool. And yeah, that's pretty much this unboxing. Oh, there's a bonus prompt. So the bonus prompt says, pick one color and create a whole page using at least 3 media in that color. Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. Oh, the sticker on the candy. So we have a warhead, extreme sour, black cherry, and it's like green. It has like grass or whatever. Pretty cool. So yeah, I think with these it's gonna be a little bit harder to come up with my the supplies that I use quarterly, especially the pastels. I do have more pastels from that brand from past boxes. I think I have a blue or something, but it's gonna be hard for me to use. Or maybe I should just start practicing like portraits. That'd be kind of cool. Practice portraits. I think it will be easy too. When I think of pastels, I think of doing portraits. I don't know why. Don't ask. But yeah, that's pretty much this video. I hope you enjoyed this. And my next video will probably be the quarterly supplies if I found something interesting to put together. But yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.